Have you ever had such an experience? The accuracy of the produced model does not meet expectations. Long time consumption and unstable quality. The new generation WaxJet 510 is emerging at the right time, creating efficient, high-quality experience in precision manufacturing. WaxJet 510 has made batch printing simple. You just need to send the model data to the machine. One-click automatic printing. 3D automatic mosaic layout. Automatic refueling. High-precision printing will start immediately. WaxJet 510 new upgrade. By spraying wax layer by layer to print the 3D model, the cost of ink has been effectively reduced. The comprehensive costs have been efficiently reduced. WaxJet 510 can make the surface more delicate and make details clearer. It guarantees the stability of quality. WaxJet 510 helps designers present their creativity and model details perfectly. Welcome the light of the future. The flourishing future of WaxJet 510 aims at precision.